Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do this brown smoky eye for you guys just to show you how to blend properly. Especially for those of you who are beginners, you don't know exactly what you're doing, you follow tutorials, but it's like really confusing. I just want to show you guys how I get that transition between my eyelid to my eyebrow and what brushes I use and how I use them. So if you want to see how to recreate this brown smoky eye or any sort of smoky eye, please keep watching. So to make sure you can get a really well blended look, you're going to want to have a few brushes. And here I have one fluffy brush, and this is just to get rid of any lines that get created during the process of blending. I have a big crease brush, and this is to get the transition shade in there because you don't have to worry too much about, keeping it in one spot. A smaller crease brush, and this is to pack in darker color to deepen up your crease. And then a pencil brush, just in case you need to get into a crack and you don't want to go too far with any color. So before I get started, I'm just going to set my eyelids using Huda Beauty's Easy Bake Loose Setting Powder in Banana Bread. And I'm going to go in with that fluffy brush, and this is my Morphe S27 brush. And it's perfect to have a little bit of translucent powder on it, just because when you blend out the lines, it'll help you blend them out faster. Go all the way up to the brow bone, just make sure nothing is wet. So for this eyeshadow look today, I'm going to be going in with Morphe's 3502 palette. And I'm going to start by going into my crease with this orange shade. That is the second row, fourth color. And I'm going to be using my bigger crease brush for this, and this is my Morphe by Jaclyn JH36 brush. I'm just going in a windshield wiper motion. I'm just gonna blend that in there. You don't really have to worry too much about this first color getting too far because you're gonna go in with other colors to deepen it up anyway. Just don't get it all the way up here and you're good. And I like to switch from going back and forth to doing little circular motions when you get closer to the brow. And then you go in with that big fluffy brush just near the brow bone to make sure it's all blended properly. Next, I'm going to go in with the smaller crease brush, and this is my Morphe by Jaclyn JH37 brush. And I'm going to be going in with this burnt orange. That is the third row, fifth color. And this is just going to deepen up that color a little bit, that orange a little bit. I'm going to keep this one to more circular motions because I want to keep it tighter. Then taking that brush that you used that first brighter orange on, making sure there are no lines between these two colors, and then taking the big fluffy brush again. Now I'm going to go in with my pencil brush, and that is my Morphe S20 pencil brush. And I'm going to be going in with this reddy brown color, and that is the fourth row, seventh color. And I'm going to windshield wiper this, just making sure to really get that in that crease. And as you come to the center, and start circling it. What the heck? Circling it. And a good trick is to grab a mirror, keep it on like a lower angle, and look down into the mirror, because then you can see all the lines, if there's any lines being created between the shadows. Always remember to go in with your other brushes and blend out the top lines. And that's basically that. You can go in with a cut crease or put some shadow on your lid, whatever you want. I'm actually going to go in with this dark brown. That's the fifth row, fifth color. But I'm actually going to be taking this on my Anastasia Beverly Hills A3 smudger brush. I'm just going to use it to pack it on my lid. . And taking that pencil brush just to make sure it's all still blended properly. So next for my under eyes, I'm going to go in with a brown liner, and I'm just going to use Tarte's Brown Double Take Liner. And I'm going to go in with the kohl end. And then I'm going to be going in with my Morphe by Jaclyn Hill JH39 pencil brush. Taking that darkest brown we just put all over our lid and smudging it right on the lash line. Then going back in with that pencil brush and the lighter red that we just put in that crease. And blending this out. And then I'm just going to take that big fluffy brush. So next I'm going to be going onto my eyelids using MAC's Dazzle Shadow Liquid in Rayon Rays. And I'm actually just going to clean that brush we used to pack on that lid. Just wipe it off on a paper towel or a towel. And then we're going to take some of this color right onto that brush. Because I don't want to draw a line, I want to pat it on. Just like that. And then dragging it out. Just really gonna focus it right on the center lash line. And then just kind of brush the excess upward. So just like that, just so it's dispersed evenly. So now I'm just going to use this brown liner. I'm going to be using the pen end and just creating a really small line for the lashes to sit on. And today I'm going to be using Blinking Beauté's lashes in Bright Idea. So before I go in with mascara, I'm just going to take a spoolie and blend my lashes into the fake lashes. So for some reason that footage cut off. I just went in and put some mascara on, and I used Buxom's Blackest Black mascara. And I put that on my top and bottom. Next I'm going to be going in with bronzer, and I'll be using Hula by Benefit. I'm going to go in with this Beau Belle B4 brush. And I'll be going in with this Anastasia Beverly Hills A13 smudger brush to just contour my nose. For blush, I'll be going in with Morphe's Blush Trio in Pop of Coral. And I'm going to go in with Unapologetic on my Anastasia Beverly Hills A19 brush. That was so much. Let's cry. Just going to use a nice fluffy brush and just chill out on that blush. And now for my highlight, I'm going to be using Natasha Denona's Super Glow in 03 Bronze. I'm going to go in with my Too Faced highlighter brush. I'm going to be going back in with the palette and using this champagne color for my inner corner and my brow bone. And I'll be going in with the Sigma E46 inner corner brush. I'm also going to use this color to highlight my nose. And my Cupid's bow. And lastly, I'm going to go in with some lips, and I'm going to be lining my lips using Buxom's full-on lip liner in Undercover. It's just a brown, and going over that with Huda Beauty's Demi Matte in Day Slayer. So I already have lip balm on my lips. I have literally just had one earring in this entire time. So embarrassing. And this is the final look. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hopefully you guys learned how to blend properly. Kind of. I'm not like the best at teaching these techniques, but I hope you guys got something out of this video. If you guys did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. Leave any questions you guys have below in the comments and I will get back to you. Thank you again for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video.